girl Loaferette, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, as you can see, I did this awesome style. They're called Bohemian Bantu knots, and I saw this girl do it on YouTube. Her name is Increase My Peace, and honestly, I had to try it out. I had to see if my hair can do it. Initially, I was looking to do it with braiding hair, but my hair is pretty long, so I only had to do it with my hair. I'm gonna link her video down below. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I got these Bohemian Bantu knots, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright y'all, back again with another voiceover. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair out so that it's time for us to get into the style. I'm gonna be using this spray bottle to apply water to my hair, especially my roots. It is water, leave-in conditioner, and a bunch of essential oils. I absolutely love this because it makes my hair very soft and very manageable. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. I've already gone ahead and did the back of my hair and parted the front, so we're just going to start with the front for today. It's coming out nicely. I'm pretty shocked at this point. I'm using a rat tail comb to part the front of my hair. You guys will see the sections are a bit big because I kind of want it to be big. I don't want any small Bantu knots. I've done those in the past, but today we're doing it really big. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Edge Control. Love this. It actually acts like a jam for me. Usually I'd put gel or whatnot, but the gel does not hold my hair enough because it's still wet. But with this jam, quote unquote, or edge control, my hair actually holds very well. And we're going to put this all around the part. I'm going to leave out some of my edges, at least what's left, and take out, you know, that black people wispy, and kind of use my fingers to smoothen out the edges. I'm going to be using this type of scrunchie because I don't like using rubber bands for this style. I feel like rubber bands tend to cut your hair a little bit more, and I feel like this is a lot safer than that. This is what's important. I try my best to braid this down very loosely, and I tug on it so that it looks like it's dragging. So it's like a dragged braid. This allows your hair to be very fluffy, and it'll create a bigger Bantu knot that's not too tight. Now I'm going to go ahead and just continue the same thing. As you can see, the base is not tight at all. I try my best to make it fluffy, or as fluffy as possible, and just drag it down. Now we're on to the front. This piece is quite large, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Use the edge control and just put that all around the base, all around the edges of this part. I make sure to get it every single where, front, side, back, just everywhere. I'm going to be using this rat tail comb to kind of smoothen out the edges, or smoothen out around the base, because it makes it a lot more sleeker. I'm going to go ahead and pull it with my hands because, again, it's making it a lot smoother, using my fingers to kind of smoothen everything out. I'm going to be using this brush to take out the edges in the front. Nothing too much because we want a little swoop. And because this part is a bit huge, I am using a brush to make sure that, you know, around the edges are extra smooth. I'm going to be using the scrunchie again to just wrap around my hair. And again, guys, I try my best not to make these tight because I need to sleep. And if I can't sleep, these bad boys are coming out. So I slept well. Let's just say that. Now I'm going to go ahead and braid it down. All right, now for the Bantu knots. I'm going to go ahead and put some hair to the side so we can get the first one out. All I do, there's no rhyme or reason really, I try to make sure everything is going in the same direction, and I just wrap my hair around. I use the ends of my hair to secure it. I make sure I cover the base, and guys, that was it. I didn't use any pins, anything like that, because I didn't want, when I'm going to sleep, the pins are stabbing me. Like, I just didn't want any pins. I want it to be as simple and as freeing as possible. And at this point, I'm geeking out. I don't know why, but guys, we're going to be using the Arcani Edge Control. If you guys know me, or you guys have been following this channel, you guys know I am in love with this edge control. It is the best edge control for kinky curly hair. I'm just going to go ahead and create those swoopty swoops. Now I know what I have not been doing correctly. So Now my suits are looking a lot better. However, I can never get both sides to look the same. To create that bohemian feel, I'm using Lulu Tress braiding here. Love this bad boy. I'm not going to be taking too much. I'm actually taking piece of a piece of a piece. It's not a lot. You guys can see I don't use a lot. And then I'm going to just wrap this simply around the base of the Bantu knots. Once I've wrapped that around, I'm going to just shave off the ends so that it fits my face and it's not too long. And at this point, your girl was geeking out. Like, I was done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more on the left side and the right side. Again, shave those ends off. You can decide how many, where you want to put it, how long, but I just wanted to really keep it simple. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me tell you, I am absolutely happy about how it came out. It was super easy to do. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It gives you this look, this very sensual, soothing, like, you know, carefree, go with the flow kind of look that I absolutely love. Like, it's so amazing. And I want to shout out to Increase My Piece for actually putting out this look. As you can see here, I have two bohemian type of braids sticking out of my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is what the back is looking like. I tried my best to make sure that everything looks good and neat and nice and just with it. You know what I mean? Cohesion. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. How did I do? Remember, I'm 4C here. And guys, this looks great. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.